ChatGPT took the world by storm, redefining the power and capabilities of publicly available AI. It became a global keyword, and although it is free to use and available the world over, many people still have no idea how to properly utilize and harness the true power of this chatbot to increase productivity, add more value to what they do, and for better or worse, find a way to replace themselves by lending all the hard work to an AI robot. So in this video, we will talk about everything you need to know to get started with ChatGPT. Before we start this video, if you want to know in depth about what ChatGPT is, the technical aspects, and other project details, we have covered it in a different video, the link to which will be in the description for you to check out. At a glance, ChatGPT is an AI-driven chatbot developed by a startup named OpenAI out of San Francisco. It is only available to be used on web browsers. It is powered using LLM, a large language model, to produce human-like responses and to understand them as well. Since ChatGPT opened to the public, it created a race around the world for people to compete against ChatGPT in a very short time. And maybe the reason why other tech giants saw it as a threat is because it can do more than talk like a human being. You can use it to do other things like writing the lyrics of your favorite singer or song, you can write code, or you can just upload a piece of text and ask AI to make it better for you. But let's get back to the point. How do you use it? To be able to talk to the AI robot, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. The page should look like this. Make sure you open the right link. I've placed that in the description as well. Now you need to sign up using your email. The process is pretty simple, just like signing up to any website. It is designed in a way that anyone from any age group or level of computer information can use the software. So after you sign up, you will be required to authenticate your account using a code sent to you on your email address used to sign up on the website. Once you authenticate or activate your account, you are basically done, and now you have access to ChatGPT. You will see a simple screen with one text box, some links, and options on the side, which an average user may not need, so let's stick to the action. The text box is where you can enter your command. Hit enter, and it starts to generate a response. It's that simple to use. If you are satisfied with the response, you can copy it and ask other things, or you can click the button that says Regenerate Response, and it will start writing the whole thing again. Asking the average age of a male humpback whale is something Google can handle efficiently. The reason I'm saying this is because ChatGPT has the power to answer more complex questions. So let's explore in depth how and what ways you can use this smart AI. 1. ChatGPT as a coding machine. Believe it or not, this tool went above and beyond with user requests by suggesting code ready to be implemented. But before jumping into the deep end, always remember to double-check everything. Gabe Ragland of AI art site Lexica used ChatGPT to write code for a website utilizing the React tool. 2. ChatGPT as writing assistant. OpenAI has also showcased how ChatGPT can be used to critique writing samples provided by users. OpenAI's algorithms are trained to analyze text, but not just at a surface level. ChatGPT will look for stylistic choices and structural changes that could improve the piece's overall quality. 3. ChatGPT as an AI artist. OpenAI is also leveraging its artificial intelligence capabilities to create art with ChatGPT. OpenAI has developed a program called Lensa AI and DALL-E 2. OpenArt takes user-submitted images and generates unique pieces of art using a mix of AI algorithms and human input. 4. ChatGPT as new Google. ChatGPT has quickly become popular on social media platforms in the past week. Thousands of users showcased the diverse ways the tool can be used. OpenAI even offers a browser version of ChatGPT for users to experiment with. ChatGPT can quickly and accurately respond to questions, making it a great alternative to search engines. ChatGPT could become the new Google in the future. 5. Develop apps with ChatGPT. A recent OpenAI demonstration used ChatGPT to help users create applications from scratch. The OpenAI team provided ChatGPT with a set of instructions. and the AI tool could generate code for an essential application in no time. This could be a game changer for developers, allowing them to quickly create prototypes without writing hundreds of lines of code. 6. ChatGPT as a student helper. OpenAI has also showcased how ChatGPT can help students with their studies. OpenAI algorithms are trained to go beyond surface-level answers, allowing users to ask for detailed explanations of difficult topics. It can solve complex math equations and explain the concepts behind them, as well as offer advice on tricky essays. OpenAI could help students to become more proficient in their studies by providing an AI assistant. So, here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. ChatGPT is a remarkable invention. Do check out the link in the description and play with this impressive new tool and the future of AI. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like on this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.